Hello and thank you for watching this short but important video. Did you know that Facebook is now the #1 place people turn to when they're searching for a reliable electrician? And that's good news because your company already has a Facebook page. But here's the catch. Facebook gives priority to showing the pages of electricians that have active pages. And to Facebook, active means a new post every day. In other words, if you're not posting to your page every day, your potential customers probably aren't going to see your page when they do their search. And that means a loss of income for your business. You need new posts on your Facebook page every day. But how do you do that when you're busy taking care of your current customers and visiting with prospective customers? Well, here's the good news. Our company will keep your Facebook page current by posting informative tips and suggestions to your page every morning. Below this video, you'll see some samples of the professionally designed graphics that we'll be posting to your Facebook page. If you want potential customers to see your Facebook page instead of your competitors' pages, just get in touch with us. We'll have your Facebook posting service up and running within 2 days. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.